Unraveling. I wish you well, a deep dive into a heartfelt phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a very special and common English phrase, I wish you well. This phrase might seem simple, but it's packed with meaning and positive intent. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these subtle phrases can really polish your English skills. So, let's dive in. When someone says, I wish you well, they're expressing a sincere hope for someone's happiness, success, or general well-being. This phrase is versatile and can be used in both formal and informal settings. It's a positive, supportive statement that shows you care about someone's future. I wish you well can be used in various situations. You might use it when someone is 1. Changing jobs. You want to express support for their new role. 2. Moving to a new place. You're sending good wishes for their new life chapter. 3. Recovering from illness. You're hoping for their quick and full recovery. 4. Going through a tough time. You want to offer moral support and positivity. Remember, the tone of your voice also matters. Say it warmly and sincerely, as the phrase carries your good intentions. While I wish you well is generally positive, it's also important to consider the context and cultural nuances. In some cases, if not delivered sincerely, it might be perceived as formal or distant. Ensure your facial expressions and tone match your words to convey genuine warmth and concern. Sometimes, you might want to use a variation or a phrase with a similar meaning. Here are some alternatives. 1. Best of luck. More casual, often used when referring to specific events like exams or interviews. 2. Take care. A warm, informal way to show you care about someone's well-being. 3. I hope everything goes well for you. A more detailed way to express the same sentiment. Feel free to choose the one that best fits the situation and your relationship with the person. Understanding and using the phrase, I wish you well, can add depth and warmth to your conversations in English. It's a beautiful way to show support and positivity towards others. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey and in expressing your best wishes more effectively. Keep practicing, and remember, every phrase you learn opens up a new shade of expression in this rich language. Until next time, take care and I wish you well.